And on the left-hand side, all the way from the United States, from Anki Vector. And on the right-hand side, also from the United States, from Anki Cozmo.
Let's get ready to rumble!
The following battle is sponsored by MyWiFi.tv, the best live TV application available for Android, OS X, iOS, and Windows. Check out the website now by clicking on the link down below in the description.
Alright, both robots are ready to fight. You got Vector on the left and Cozmo on the right. You guys ready?
Fight!
Cozmo gets a heavy blow against Vector, pushing him towards the edge. Both robots are dueling it out quite well. Vector just fell down, being pushed to the edge, and Vector's off of the mat. Vector's off the mat. We're going to start that count. Let's go and start that count now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and Vector loses. Good job, Cozmo. Let's go and set up and get ready for another round. Alright, both redouts are ready to fight.
Fight!
Vector goes with the heavy blow. And Vector just knocked over Cozmo with a heavy blow. And Vector looks like he's showing no mercy towards Cozmo. Let's go and start that count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And Vector is the winner of round number 2. Good job, Vector. And let's go and set up for another round. You guys ready?
Round 3, fight!
Cozmo goes with the heavy blow. Vector goes back against him. Looks like Vector just lifted Cozmo up. And Vector looks like he won this round here. We're going to go ahead and start that count now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And Vector is the winner. Good job, Vector. Let's go and set up for another round. So far, Vector's winning with 2, this 1.
Fight!
It looks like that was a close match. Both robots are trying to find their edge here. Cozmo is circling against Vector. Here's Vector maybe running away. Vector's from behind. Cozmo's pushing Vector. Cozmo just got lifted up. Vector's a little confused. He's too heavy for Cozmo to lift. And there goes Vector going for a charge. And he misses. Vector is towards the edge of the mat. He might get Cozmo wins this round. Good job, Cozmo. Alright, both robots are tied. You guys ready?
Fight!
Okay, looks like Vector just took a different approach. Cozmo going with the early lead. Both robots are pushed towards each other. Vector is pushing Cozmo towards the edge. And Cozmo dodges the attack. Cozmo coming in from the rear. Cozmo is pushing Vector with no mercy, lifting up. Looks like Vector may have Cozmo on the edge over here. And looks like Vector is pushing Cozmo. Both robots are up. I repeat, both robots are up. Okay, Vector's back down. Looks like Vector's deciding what to do. And he's pushing Cozmo to the edge. And he just literally lifted Cozmo and tossed him off the mat. Start the count. 4, 5, and Vector is the winner of this robot death battle. Haha, that is true. And now if you guys want to see anybody else fight, feel free to comment down below. And with that being said, we'll see you guys next time. Take care now. Bye-bye.